Hello everyone. Today I will be modeling different strategies for the subtraction equation 346 subtract 176. I will start by doing an estimation of my equation. So we will start by estimating and rounding down to 350 minus 170. We do this just to make it a little bit easier with the numbers. Then we will start by subtracting the hundreds place value. So we will have 350 subtract 100, which gives us 250, and then subtract the 70, which gives us 180. I get this by looking at it as 25 subtract 7, which equals 18, and you add on the 0 at the end. We know our estimation value will be lower because we rounded 346 up and rounded down the number we were subtracting from it. Next, we will show base 10 blocks as a concrete representation. The top red, blue, and yellow blocks represent 346, and the bottom represents 176. So our goal is to subtract them to get an answer. We are going to match up what we are subtracting and see what we have left over. So to start, these are the hundreds blocks, these are the tens, and these are the ones. So we will start by taking a hundreds block and overlapping it to show that we've used it. Sorry, let's go the other way. So one's used. Then we'll do our tens. So we start off, we have 7 tens. So we want to take 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll do the same from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. But then because we have to subtract 3 more tens and we have none left over, we have to break up one of our hundreds blocks. So we will subtract 3 more from our hundreds block. 1, 2, 3, which matches with 1, 2, 3. Finally, we will subtract our ones. So over here we have 6, and over here we have 6. So we will be subtracting them and putting them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This leaves us with 1 block representing 100 and 7 tens representing 70. Therefore, our answer is 170. Next, we will be doing a symbolic representation of base 10. As you can see, we have our hundreds, tens, and ones place values, just as we did using the base 10 blocks. So to start, I will write our equation up here so that we can see it. 346 minus 176. So to start, we will start by subtracting the hundreds place value, which is 300 subtract 100, which leaves us with 200. Then, moving on to the tens, right, we have 40 minus 70. Because we can't do 40 minus 70, we're going to borrow 100 from this 200 up here. And we're going to turn it into 100. So this will turn into 100. And this will turn into 140. Which gives us 70. And we know this because 14 minus 7 is 7. Then moving on to our ones, we have 6 minus 6, which is equal to 0. After adding up 0 plus 70 plus 100, we get our final answer of 170. Next, I will be using my own personal strategy, which I chose a number line, to show 346 minus 176. So on my number line, we have a few basic numbers that I put in there because I think those are numbers that we will see along the way. So to do this, first we're going to show how long or how much of a jump we have to make to get from 176 to 180. So to do that, we would do plus 4 to get to 180, and then from 180 to 200, we would do plus 20. And then from 200 to 300, we would add on 100. And then to get from 300 to 346, we would add on 46. To get our answer, we look at what we added and we add it up. So we have 4 plus 20 plus 100 plus 46. This gives us 24 plus 100 plus 46, which then equals 170.